Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you guys how to get input from a user. So let's just go ahead and type a program so that user have something to type in. I'll have them typing their name and age. So first make a string as they are going to store their name in a string. And then a variable for age. Now the reason I wanted to have a different data type is because you actually have to treat this a little bit differently, and I'll show you that later on. So basically the first thing we want to do before they type something in the screen, we always want to give them prompt. Now add a printf statement. What is your name? Now the function to allow the user to input information is scanf. Now the first parameter it takes is of course a placeholder which they are going to fill with whatever they type in the keyboard. Since they are typing a name, we need %s because that's going to be a string. And the next piece of information is what variable do you want to store it in. So they are going to store this in name. Another printf statement. What is your age? Same as above, scanf %d. Here we using %d because this piece of information contain integer, and in the next piece of information is what variable do you want to store it in. So they are going to store this in age, %d age. Now remember one thing, this is a general rule. You need to use ampersand or and sign before the age variable or every single variable except arrays. Arrays have a built-in ampersand, and we will learn more about this on pointers chapter. For now, remember one thing, anytime you use a float, a character or an integer, you must use ampersand right before the variable name, or else it won't work, your program will show an error. So now we have all this information stored in this variable. Let's go ahead and print something out on the screen. Printf my name is %s and I am %d year old, comma name, comma age. And if we print this, it will show If you print this, it will show what is your name, and when it goes scanf, it pauses your program and it waits for user input, and when you hit enter, then only the program will continue. So I'll type Udit Singh, enter. Now what is your age? It pauses here because of the scanf function. So I'll type here 25, enter. My name is Udit Singh and I am 25-year old. That's how it works. I hope you understand how to use scanf statement and how to get input from user. If you have any queries, you can ask me on comment section. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.